I'm Matt Bouchard in San Francisco for NAREIT's REIT World, our 2018 annual conference. Joining me today is Mike Carroll, CEO of ShopOne Centers. Mike, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Now let's start by talking about some of the recent challenges and opportunities you're seeing in the retail sector.
I think in the retail sector, the big challenge has been box retail. I think it continues to be a challenge. I think outside of off price is really the material strength in that space, and then there's a bunch of tenant dislocation in the rest of the sectors. And then as it relates to opportunities, I think the opportunity sits in the grocery anchored space. I think the grocery anchored still is proven to be resilient, and the shop space around it is very flexible, houses a lot of different kinds of uses, plays into kind of the themes that are out there today of food, quick service restaurants, health, wellness, service-oriented type users. I think makes that space misunderstood when you think about kind of some of the negative storylines around retail.
Now, how does ShopOne's mix of regional and national tenants position the company for growth?
Well, I think for us, it's really to be focused on market-leading grocers, and a lot of those are regional in nature. And so, trying to understand both at that side, at that level, and at then the national level, the Krogers and the Aholts of the world. And I think we have a unique understanding of that space, and allows us to be a little bit of a sharpshooter there.
Over the course of your career, you've served as public company CEO at several of your last positions. How does this experience impact the way you manage at ShopOne?
Well, I think for ShopOne, because we're a young company, it's knowing kind of what to put in place, and so we're putting the infrastructure in place around the platform systems, people, the methodology of our approach and practices in the space, so that we have something that's an institutional caliber and doesn't have the same kind of growth challenges that other companies might have. And so I think that's one of the perspectives that I can bring.
Great. Mike, thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
For more from REIT World 2018, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.